Hi, welcome to our channel Strong in Retirement. In this video we are going to share with you something we learned that we use now going forward, and that's to turn the heat down once we launch the pie. You're going to see pizza 13 where we learned it.
Count to 15. Remember, you got that weak spot right there in the front.
And then pizza 14 where we applied it. Hope you enjoy.
Boy, the crust is starting out nice.
Mm-hmm.
I would go, yeah. Nice. Yeah. Keep turning. Yeah, nice. Too long. Should I turn it down?
Yeah, well,
You want me to turn it down?
yeah.
Here was the point that we turned it down.
I mean, I don't have the, kind of the right equipment, so we kind of...
Yeah, I think once we get the peel, it's going to be a little bit easier to lift the pie and
That's something else we learned. We ordered a Ooni pizza turning peel, and it's really made a difference. But our sur la table hamburger flipper got the job done.
See, I'm afraid when it cooks too fast on the top, then I'm afraid the dough's not cooked. See.
You heard Lori say she was trying to balance getting a dark crust versus getting the whole pie cooked.
it's the wrong glove.
I know, but it's very hot.
Yeah, dough's not as crispy in the center, huh?
Well, it's not supposed to be crispy in the center, but I'm afraid it's... Let's see what the bottom looks like.
Yeah, let's see, can you get it? Yeah, let's see how it tastes.
I think as soon as you put it in, then we have to turn it down.
There was our
We
key,
need the stone to be hot.
but it still tasted good.
Let's see.
What?
Right pan. The pizza pan.
Oh, I get it. Okay, here we are on pizza number 14, which we made like 30 minutes later, and you'll notice that the flame is down. So from now on, we...
So the pizza oven was on high, and now we turned it to low to prevent burning.
And that's our process going forward. Turn it down low.
And I don't have my pizza peel yet, but I'm going to try and turn this. Wear my Ooni gloves because it's very hot.
And while you don't need gloves for the turning peel, in my opinion, we also have a couple of the Grizzly products, and definitely with those, the Ooni gloves come in handy.
You have to keep turning it to prevent burning.
And when I say products, that's the Ooni Grizzler double-sided plate. And then we also have another Ooni, it's kind of like a pan with sauce.
Well, this is pizza number 14. I think it might be our best one.
It's looking good so far. And I think once you get the turning peel, it's going to be a little bit easier. Show them we're using a extended hamburger flipper. You're rocking a little bit.
Rocking too much,
Yeah,
not paying
you gotta keep
attention.
turning. Boy, that's looking great, Speedy. So we have, we heated up the stone on high. The center stone is above 750 degrees. And then we turned down the flame to low.
I think it's ready.
The last pizza we did, oh, here, put your pin. Oh, you're brave. Okay, you're brave.
Now it looks pretty good. Should we cut into it? Oh, maybe I should have left my Ooni gloves on.
So hopefully this learning tip has been helpful.
Oops.
And again, this is the Ooni classic dough.
Yes.
What's the percent hydration? Do you know?
I think it's 60, maybe. You'll have to look. There's a calculator right on the website that tells you.
And we're going to make a few more lessons to
All
learn
right,
videos
well, that's
as
the
well.
last pizza for the night, so I'm turning this off.
Okay, thanks for checking out our channel, Strong in Retirement. Please subscribe if you content.
Well, I think this is the best one.
Yeah, looks
It
good,
was.
huh?
Okay, we good? Gonna
Yeah.
go inside and eat?
Yep.
All right, we'll see you later. Thanks for checking out the channel.